How to join a team in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing Zooba and want to join a team, first of all open the Zooba game and wait for the main screen to load. Once it does, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab from the top center. Inside the Friends tab, go to Join Team on the left, tap on it, and then enter your team's code that your friend has provided to you. After typing in the code in the text box, I'm just typing in some random letters. After you do that, click on Join. But make sure that your friend has given you the correct code. The code will look like this, which is appearing at the top. Make sure to enter your friend's code that they have provided to you, and you'll be able to click on the Join button, and right there you can join into a team in Zooba. Some teams may have requirements such as minimum level or trophies, so make sure you meet the requirements before sending a request. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.